So we have bad news for mga online sellers natin sa Shopee. Kasi naglabas na ng 2025 seller fee updates. So alam mo yun, kapag lumalabas kasi ng ganun, usually alam nating magkaka-increase sa seller fees. Usually, yung article, they would start with something positive para isisingit nila yung seller fee na increase sa dulo. Marami pa yan. So nilalatag nila lahat ng mga positive muna. Then, boom, biglang sa dulong part ng article, biglang lalabas. Important changes for 2025. Ang mangyayari is the free shipping discount vouchers for all sellers effective January 1, 2025. So, all sellers to applicable na. Hindi ka na pwedeng mamili kasi dati as sellers, pwede kang mamili kung gusto mong sumali sa free shipping na program. So, may mga iba hindi sumasali. Kaya kapag napapansin mo kung mag-check out ka sa Shopee, paminsan merong walang free shipping, may mga free shipping kasi depende yan sa sellers kasi may additional fees yan. So, mangyayari ngayon starting January 1, 2025 nga, site-wide na yung free shipping discount vouchers will be applicable for all sellers. So, this is in line with Shopee's commitment to enhance the shopping experience on our platform. Kung magkano yung magiging fees natin. So, ang standard platform shipping fee will be at 4.48%, capped at 100 pesos per item per completed order. That will apply to all sellers. So, yun na yung magiging additional fee natin sa lahat ng sellers na to. So, lahat ng sellers kailangan saluhin yung fee na 4.48% na additional. For the sample computation, kung paano nila kinocompute ang platform shipping and commission fees. So, we have right here the original price, less seller-sponsored discount, less seller-sponsored voucher. So, cost of goods natin is, sa example na to is 370. Tapos, yun dun napapasok si 4.48% na service fee. Ito lalabas 17 pesos. Then yung commission fee natin na usual na 6.12%. So, lalabas 23 pesos for the commission fee. Total platform and shipping commission fee is lumalabas is 40 pesos. Some important notes will be yung mga existing sellers that are already participating sa FSS natin or the free shipping special program will continue to enjoy yung 2.24 commission fee discount until December 31, 2024 and then it goes away. That is all for the 2025 seller fee updates. With the introduction of this, for sure, susunod din si Lazada and si TikTok Shop next time. So additional expense for the online sellers. What a way to end the year.